Okay everyone, so now we are discussing the program of 2D array and we are making the first line as the comment, so compiler will not read it. Then hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file for printf and scanf functions. Then hash include conio.h, that is console input output header file for clear screen and getch function. Void means no return type, main function. Coming inside, now we are saying int means the integer data type I. So one variable I is declared. J, one more variable J is declared. AR 2, 3. That means we know that this AR is the array now. So this variable is acting like array where the number of rows are 2 and the number of columns are 3. So in the memory it will be declared like this. This is the memory. And there we are having two rows. If two rows are there, then let us suppose that these are the rows starting from 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 are the rows and 3 are the column. That means 0, 1 and 2. These are the columns. Now the name of array is AR. So this one is the AR. Afterward we are saying curly bracket start, again curly bracket. So this part we know that it represents the first row. So these elements will go to the first row. So 1, 2, 3 will be coming inside the first row in the memory and these are the second row. So these elements will go to the second row which are 4, 5 and 6. Now after that we are having clear screen. Screen will be cleared. 4, it is the looping statement. So starting from I equal to 0, that means I we are saying that these are representing the row. So if I say that I is pointing to this one, then further we are checking the condition I less than 2. 2 here we are checking for the rows. So I less than 2 means 0 less than 2, correct. Coming inside, now this one we are taking for the column. 4 is again a looping statement. J is equal to 0. So we are starting J with 0. That means we are taking J pointing to 0 hypothetically. Then checking J less than 3 as the column are 3. So we are saying 3. So 0 less than 3 true. Coming inside, now we are saying printf percentage d for the integer value slash t means a tab space. ARIJ, currently the value of I and j is 0 0. So AR00. So this one is 0, this one is 0. So 1. So 1 will be printed on the screen. After that it will come back to the inner loop incrementing the j. So the value of j become 1. Now j is moved to 1. Again checking the condition, j less than 3 means 1 less than 3, true. Coming inside, printing with slash t. Slash t we have already done, that means tab space we have already provided. Then ARIJ, so the value of j right now is 1. So AR01, AR01, so the value is 2. So 2 is printed on the screen and afterward tab space is given. Now coming back, the value of j is becoming j++. So the value of j is now 2. Coming back, is 2 less than 3? True. Down. Percentage d, that is for the integer value. ARIJ, so AR02. AR02 means the I is 0, j is 2. So j is now coming to 2. So the value we have fetched is 3. So 3 is displayed. Again coming back, j++. So the value of j is 3. Now 3 less than 3, false. It will come out. Once it will come out, it is saying printf slash n. So after that we have gone to the next line. So the cursor is there now. After that it will go to the outer loop I++. So the value of I is incremented to 1. Checking the condition, is 1 less than 2, I less than 2, true. Again coming back to the inner loop, coming to 4, starting from 0, so the value of j will be coming to 0 again. Then what it is representing? It is representing that I is now shifted to 1 and j is again coming back to 0. That means j will again start from 0, 1, 2 for the value of 1. Now j is 0. Is 0 less than 3? True. Come down. Again percentage d, tab space, ARIJ. This time the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 0. So talking about 1 and 0, here the value 4 is fetched and displayed on the screen. So 4 is displayed and 1 tab space is given. It is coming back to the inner loop, j plus plus. So the value of j is 1 now. Then checking the condition, is 1 less than 3? True. Come down. Again printing. This time we are having 1. So 1, 1. 1, 1 means this is 1 and this one is 1. So the value fetched is 5. So 5 is printed. Then tab space is given. After that, again it will go back. J plus plus, the value of j is 2. Checking the condition, is 2 less than 3? True. Coming down, again fetching 1, 2. So 1 and 2. This one is fetched. So the value 6 is fetched and displayed. Then tab space is given. Now again coming back. J plus plus, the value of j is 3. Checking the condition, is 3 less than 3? False. It will come out. Now printf slash n. So after that cursor will be here. Again going back to the outer loop, I plus plus, the value of I is 2. Checking the condition, 2 less than 2? False. So it will again come out to the getch. Getch will hold the screen and program will come out. So this way array can work. In the 2D array we are having the 2 for loop. Similarly if we are having ND array, so there will be the N loop. If I am taking the 1D array, 1 loop is sufficient. For 2D array, 2 loops are required, one inside that. So that is the representation of the 2D array.